Let's go bird watching, guys. Let's go see the birds. Let's go see my little native bird species population. Let's go see if there's any native birds. There's one. Oh, it flew away. Shh. Let's take a. Whoa. Did you guys see that? Bird. Bird. Wow. Look at this American golden finches. Others, wow. What a lovely view of these birds. Wow. These are a lot of American golden finches. Well, this is all the native birds populations I'm seeing for right now. Wow. Oh, there's a finch. If you guys are wondering, this is a house finch. Wow. Look at this house finch. House finch. Look at this male. Wow, look at that bird. Did you guys see? Wow, 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 wow. I just saw a hummingbird right now go right next to me. Wow. Look at this house finch. Look at this finch.